So I'm going to report a fly tip using our report it product over here. So pick a location. There's an awful lot of fly tips that get dumped around our office, and it would seem. So it's going to put a category on it and pick and upload a picture. So grab that one there. Did I see it happen? No, I didn't. Do you want to leave my details? Yes, please. Okay, so what we've asked AI to do in this instance is to do the age-old image analysis. So take the fly tip and help us process this report. So they're very specific to this service. We're showing it here to the user. So describe to us what it can see. So it can see a pink gas canister lying on the ground. Probably is pink, probably used to be red. It's faded. Among black bags and pieces of cardboard. So is there anything hazardous here? Well, yes, there's a pink gas canister. So we get it to tick a box. Gas canisters checked, black bags it can see. It can also see cardboard. And therefore, because of these, we want to escalate it. So this is, image analysis being used to extract some facts that it can find. Then we are pre-filling in form fields to help us then automate decisions, in essence, based on this image. So we've got a summary, we've got a confidence analysis, and something AI comes back with. Obviously, take these with a pinch of salt. It's obviously its own confidence over its own work. What we also built in here was, if we found cardboard, again built into more into the forms designer than the AI. So while the cardboard box was ticked, that could potentially mean that it's an Amazon parcel or any other major retailer delivering stuff to your door. Therefore, there might be some more details on it. So, asking the user potentially if they could take some more pictures, if they can find an address label or something like that. So it's an example of, what you can do with image analysis in a service like this. Now, some ways that could be an improvement to the customer experience, because you could just start going, well, just take a picture, we'll do the rest. So even the classification at the beginning, we could have done that. We could have done that for them. What it helps is the staff behind the scenes as it comes in. So if I could jump over here, click on my tasks in our staff portal, we will have a case that's been reviewed, potentially saving us a number of minutes per case. We've had a look at this with clients already, and things like in abandoned vehicles, which I'll show in a minute, they can have up to 15 or 20 images uploaded per incident. So there's potentially quite a lot to review. Within case management, you can see what we've done here is integrated the AI feedback into the highlights panel. So it's not actually requiring any work to case management. It's just been forms work and the AI bit integrated into that process. So they're all there now for the agent to review. That's fly tipping. We can take the same concepts over to abandoned vehicles. So again, this is perhaps I guess an extension of a similar theme, but take it a little bit further. So over here, let's so it's been dumped in a field there. Let's pick up a nice picture of a vehicle that's been abandoned. So that one there. So again, we want it to analyze the picture. Therefore, we don't need to ask many more questions in this example. And again, we are looking for key facts. So describe the vehicle to us: heavily rusted, abandoned vehicle, poor condition, possibly an Alfa Romeo, situated on a rough surface with grass around, indicating neglect. It's in poor condition, it's a wreck, therefore escalate it. So this is where this goes a bit further. We sort of say, okay, if you can find a registration plate on it, fill in this field. So again, just an AI prompt, but then we take that prompt and we populate a field with it. We then use that bit of information to pass it to the DVLA to do a lookup straight away. As we scroll down, you can see now we've got some data back from the DVLA. So we're kind of coupling here a little bit of AI automation with an integration into a third-party service to speed up this, the escalation and resolution of this vehicle. So really useful, and that can obviously be applied to all sorts of circumstances that you may use it for.